Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on four words: only, are, old, off. So let's start with the first word, only. O-N-L-Y, only. Only one, the one and only. If only child. Do you have roses? Yes, but there are only 5 roses left. The flowers are not only beautiful, but they smell nice. Neat only eats organic food. I eat only when I am hungry. How far is Mangalore from Mumbai? It's about 1000 kilometers. It's only a 1-hour flight. Is the burger ready? It will only take a few minutes. The second word is our, O-U-R. Our brain, our body, our own, our friend. Our body contains mostly water. Our school is 50 years old. Our school's library has many books. Our teacher looks very beautiful. Welcome to our home, Nia. Thank you, Nia, for accepting our invitation and coming. We invited Nia to our house. As we ate our lunch, we talked about what we had done that day. The third word is old, O-L-D, old. Old times, old job, old friend, young and old age. Successful people will tell you that you are never too young or too old to get started. Who said I'm old? I'm just 95. Old people deserve respect. Be kind to old people. How old do you think I am? Please guess. I was looking at old pictures. Even though my grandfather is very old, he is healthy. The fourth word is off, O-F-F, off. Kick off, on or off, get off, cut off, show off. Turn off the TV, take off your cap. Let's get off the bus. There's no water. The main valve is turned off. You look tired. Why don't you take a day off? I'm going to take 2 days off next week. Tia went to the airport to see Tina off. That's all for now. Meet you again in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.